eating na dayon. Snacks time. Ay, attendance. Hey guys, I'm in Maldives showroom. So we have an open house here in Maldives. So yeah, we're going to attend. We're going to have an attendance. Snacks later. Today is the open house of Maldives Oasis condominium here in Davao City. So, as one of the sellers, I'm here to attend. Wow, so these are the food. The door. I think it's so these are the we are sellers. Yeah, this will invest sellers. Sellers na tanan rin yeps. Sellers. Ad manager. Welcome to my vlog. Hoy, ayaw kasi bako ang 1 million. Dili ka gusto? Sorry po. She's a veteran seller and she's giving us motivation to be effective in selling. Yes po. So that's the pre-selling building of Maldives right now. It's still on construction.